Titanic and RMS Olympic, one of the most famous ocean liners in history. Why are they so famous? Is it because of the Titanic disaster? Well, that's probably it. But I'm going to tell you about a ship that is to deserve a lot of fans as well. And I'm gonna tell you what type of ship it is in this video. SS Keewatin is part of the Edwardian ship era. So that means it's at least built in 1907, which is about 114 years ago. Which is crazy because this ship right here is still afloat to this day, which is insane. So in this video I won't go too in depth on SS Keewatin's lifespan, so I'm gonna try to make it like a nutshell video. Hope that's okay with you, and let's get to it. Now I will be quoting the SS Keewatin Wikipedia. SS Keewatin is a passenger liner that once sailed between Port Arthur/Fort William, now Thunder Bay, and Lake Superior and Port McNicoll on Georgian Bay, Lake Huron, in Ontario, Canada. She carried passengers between these ports for the Canadian Pacific Railway's Great Lakes Steamship Service. SS Keewatin is one of the largest of the remaining Edwardian-era passenger steamers left in the world, along with nomadic lake steamer TSS Earnslaw 1913, currently still operational in New Zealand, a surviving ex-mainly ferry MV Barragula 1922 out of service held in Australia. Keewatin is a passenger liner that when built measured 3,856 gross registered tons and 2,470 NRT. SS Keewatin ran nearly continuously until being retired on 29th of November 1965, soon after she was acquired by the Historic Preservation in the United States. Her sister ship, Boya, I will not be taking part of this, I cannot pronounce that. Let's continue on. Was also set to be preserved as an attraction but burned in 1971 and was scrapped. Now her museum ship life is kinda interesting because SS Keewatin was actually permanently docked in Sugatak, Michigan, and then they moved her to Lake Huron, Port McNicoll in August 2011. The ship has also become a floating set for a number of maritime-related documentaries and television docudramas, including subjects involving the torpedoed ocean liner Lusitania, the burned-out Bahamas cruise ship Youth Castle, Canadian Pacific's Empress of Ireland, as well as Titanic. So I hope you enjoyed this mini documentary, and I'll see you on the next video.